Hello everybody, we're on the go now. Lorries everywhere. Put 18-inch back on because I've just put slightly too much concrete in the first foot. Put my little bucket on, scoop some out, and all will be good. As you can see, quite a little wobble there. We've got a problem with a tilt and hitch, but we're on the phone to Geef, and Geef are looking into it. See it, whenever the jig goes left or right, it just wobbles. When you try and strip out, it keeps twisting over, so there's an issue with it inside. But fair play to Geef, they said they'll stand by it and send the fit to have a look at it and go from there. So all is good. Alright, we've got to get some of this concrete out. I'll get a chance to roll a cigarette now while I'm in here as well. So many bloody cars and lorries now, I can't move. Look at that. 2 cement lorries, 2 have already been. 1 lot of footings are sort of in. It's all go now, I tell you. Right, so as you see on that previous bit of video, that was I was standing there while the engineer was talking, but we had the engineer in to set the stanchions. So we literally had a 2mm tolerance all round, which he said was ridiculous to try and get a 2mm tolerance. So we've gone to a 5mm tolerance on there, even though he is within 2mm. So that's all set, all done. It's now starting to rain, which is lovely. I'll just take you for a quick walk across there before I leave, show you what we've done. So this is going to be a workshop. Footings are stepped footings. The simple fact is they added some bits on the building because of the fall of the land. So you see the land is like rising up like that. So tomorrow, well, what I've got to do tomorrow is undo the bolts, lift that plate off, smack them bolts, get them loose, take the cones out, stanchions in. So they're in. Then your footing steps up because of the way the building's been designed. Stepped up down there, and then you got the 4 pads here as well. So yeah, this is done. Massively, like I say, a massive thank you to everybody who has helped out on this, from the engineers to the designers. We're sort of, once I finish tomorrow, that's me done. Then I'm going on a big project that we start, big felon project. We're a big client, which is an awesome job, a lot of paperwork involved, but that's all done and dusted now. So that starts tomorrow, Monday, sorry. So yeah, tomorrow, strip them out, get them all done, go around this whole site one more time, level everything off, get it all done and dusted and tidied, ready for the steel fixers to come in 10 days time to put the building up. Then we'll come back, get all the duct and everything else in, get the pad down, ready. Concrete boys come in, do the concrete, the floor, then the steel boys will come back, put all the cladding up. Once all the cladding's done, then we're going to start doing the outside of the yard, and this is all going to be concrete all the way around. Then we've got a lorry yard to put on the back there. So as you can tell by the tone of my voice, I've got a lot to do. I've got months work, months and months. The lorry park to do after this, got all the concrete around here to do, way bridges going in here, another building there I think, then that big bank that I've done over the back there, you can see the big bank at the back. I made it all nice and tightened up with a take down after I've tightened it all up. Then go back to the job I'm going to start Monday, which is the felon job. Then go back in a couple of weeks time, whatever, and carry on another couple of weeks there, and then come back here, then go back there, and got a couple of other ponds to do. So yeah, I'm busy, really busy, which is good. Nice to be really busy. But right, on that note, I'm going home because I've had enough today. One of them days. So right, God bless, see you all soon, and I will, now I'm done this job, there will be more and more videos coming up. One next week will be with the TMK. Yeah, it's going to be some cracking videos, it really is. We'll have the drone up and all sorts while I'm working. But right, we'll catch you all on the flip side. Thank you very much, good night, God bless.